The advice that I would give to families to maintain longevity is just not forgetting about each other, because we're the foundation, and so everything is kind of built on top of the foundation. And so if the foundation isn't sturdy and stable, everything is gonna crumble. And so don't forget about each other. Don't forget about loving each other and communicating, and those date nights and laughing. Like, we laugh so much. And even during those times when things are a little hectic and we haven't had a date night for a few months. Date nights don't always have to be a nice dinner, or, you know, sometimes the girls are upstairs and we're downstairs watching a movie and we're just laughing. But it's that intentional time together. So just not forgetting about each other. And then I just feel like everything else from there just falls into place. And remembering, like he's my best friend. You know what I mean? And so it makes it easier because I can talk to him about everything. And there's no judgment. It's when we have difficult conversations, I know that even if it's criticism, it's coming from a place of love. So yeah, not forgetting about each other.